Can onions be direct seeded in my raised bed garden instead of setting out plants or bulbs? And this is John from Harrison, Arkansas, Mr. D. So you like onions, don't you?
I do. I do. I like onions. My wife don't like
Okay.
onions. I like onions, but I like onions. Yeah, you can do that. You can direct seed them, but keep in mind when you direct seed onions, it's going to take from 100 to 120 days before they're ready to eat. If you set them out, transplant, 60 to 80 days. So if you direct seed, do it in the wintertime.
Yep.
You know, they're a cool season crop.
Yep.
You know, you can direct seed October, November, December. So in that way, you will make up for the difference in day length. You know, 60 to 80 days from after the last frost, it'll be about the same. But yes, you can do that.
You can do that. Yeah, I know some of the farmers, Shelby County Community Garden, that will actually start doing this in November.
Yeah. And that's and those guys, their onions will be ready at the same time that the folks that wait until the springtime to put them out, the sets and transplants.
And if it doesn't work,
And if
you've
it doesn't work.
always got the nice bulbs in the store, so you won't be disappointed. You can go ahead and tuck them in where the ground's already ready.
That's right.
That's foolproof.
That's right.
That's insurance.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's insurance. Yeah. You're exactly right about that. Yeah, good, well-drained soil with some organic material in it. Yeah, it'll grow some great onions around here, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.